What's going on, guys? Kyle Bradshaw here. Today we're going to do a project. We're going to be taking this Speedway Motorsport shelter cover and we're going to replace the one that's over here for the Deluxe. Now that Deluxe cover is 4 years old. That's right. I've been using this every day, 24/7 for 4 years. It's amazing. The overall price of this thing is about 500 bucks, but the average cost of a storage unit here in California for a 10x10 is about 250 bucks a month. So 2 months of storage and you're completely paid for. This here is the touring size. This fits a full-size dressed Harley Davidson. This guy here fits 2 different motorcycles side by side. It also fits a Can-Am Spyder, all kinds of fun stuff. Anyway, the reason that I'm replacing the cover on this today is going to be due to the high winds we've had recently. It actually started to tear some holes in the top. Now, if I dual duty cover, which is on that touring unit next door and on my sport unit in the back, I would not be having these tears and rips right now. Actually, let's go take a look at the sport unit that I've got. So like I said, I've got my TY 250 in here. I usually have my 390 parked right next to it, and oh man, I can't wait to go make some content, some new content on these paddle tires. 150 70 18 for the 1190 and the 950. So sick. Anyway, this one I have 2 motorcycles that I park in on a regular basis. And then this here is that dual duty cover that I was telling you about. It's this really lightweight material right here. It's actually UV resistant and water resistant. And it just makes these things last so much longer, taking the beating of the sun off of the top. So this touring unit that fits a full dress Harley Davidson. Here's a good example right here. You can see the color difference between where that cover sits and then where this thing sits outside. So this touring version's been in use for about, I don't know, about a year now. And inside this one, I've got an easy up so I can work on the motorcycles in the rain out here. My Ravaconda, my air compressor, just overall general tools that I keep in this one. This one's looking great. The dual duty cover really does a great job at protecting these things, giving it just that extra little oomph of protection. Now I've seen people park their riding lawnmowers, their snowmobiles, all kinds of action inside these Speedway Motorsport shelters. I used to use them exclusively for motorcycles. But now I'm using them for storage for all of my other stuff, in addition to motorcycles. Now moving back here to the back of the house, we have the sport shelter. Now this is the first shelter I got. It's actually almost 5 years old now. It's had the dual duty cover on it for 3 years. And as you can see, let's take a look at the top of this one. So that's where the other one was starting to fail. It has never had a dual duty cover on it. You ready? Dun, 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 dun. Lean in, lean in. Whoa! So inside here, we can see that there are no rips, holes, or tears. This is the same age as the other cover. Now what we're seeing is the shadows of the dual duty cover that has just now started to fail. Like I was saying, we moved into a single car garage. So now our Christmas stuff is out here inside the Speedway shelter. Let's take a look. So the dual duty cover from this last several windstorms we've had has really taken a beating. I ordered a brand new one. I'm gonna put that on today, and that's really gonna help preserve this shelter even longer. I usually have these vents rolled up, and you can see where the vents have been rolled up and the sun hasn't hit it. It's nice and blue. And of course, where this dual duty cover is, that's kind of an unfair representation because for the first 2 years of the life of this unit, I did not have that dual cover on, but you can absolutely see where that dual cover has protected this even further over the last several years where it has been in use. So we've got a brand new dual cover to put on this guy today. Speedway Motorsport shelters work amazing for my particular situation. If you got a spot outside where you need to keep your motorcycles where they're not going to be in a garage, highly recommend Speedway shelters. So this here is the cover that we're going to replace on the Deluxe unit today. It's a pretty simple process. Go ahead and open this puppy up. You can see that here at the tops, there's little Velcro strips that go around each of the poles. So we're going to take each of these little Velcro strips off, open them up, remove the cover from the frame, and then we're going to go ahead and attach the new cover And then we'll put that extra dual duty cover like this over the top of it so we get extended life. All right, ready to get busy, London?
Yeah!
All right, let's go. Here goes London, Miss Velcro worker. Nice work, London Luski. You got it, you got it. Almost there. Almost there. Come on this side, it's easier. Oh, looky there. Keep pulling, you almost got it, miss. Alright. Oh, over here, this one. Undo that one right there. Nice. Okay, I think there's one over here on this side. Ready? All right, okay.
Now there's one over here.
Over there. Can you get that one?
Yeah.
Oh man, undoing this Velcro just ripped another hole. Hello, backyard. All right, so now we have all of the Velcros undone over the whole shelter. Thank you for your help, Miss London Lou. All right, now we need to actually remove the cover off of the frame. Oh, Nani. Oh, we broke it. All right, we got the cover off, and now we're left with the frame standing up over here.
Oh, and it also broke.
We're now going to toss the new cover over the frame and fix all the Velcros. All right, we have the perimeter secured all right here at the front, and take a look. The material is actually a different material. It's actually a softer, almost more of a rubbery back. And each of these attachment points with the hook and loop have changed to a teal blue. Interesting. All right, the storm clouds look like they're rolling in London, and it looks like our shelter cover has now been replaced. Ready? Come on inside. Here we go. Ready? All right. Speedway shelter is now going to once again protect our motorcycles and our stuff. Pretty fun. Pretty simple installation. I mean, this thing packs down into a carry bag, which is awesome. Makes it portable and provides just the perfect amount of protection for you when you need to be protected from the elements. I did have one small problem when I was putting this thing together. See right here where this tape seam isn't quite so taped. Take a look at this, just ripped right open. Gonna have to get some tear aid to put over that. But our new cover's installed with our new special aqua blue connectors. Speedway shelter, a great way to give you protection of your vehicles, of your possessions, to keep them out of the rain, out of the snow. They work for a lot more than just motorsports. And there it is, London. The new shelter is now in place. Oh, look at that. There she is. Ta-da! We just installed the new double duty cover here in the back on the sports shelter. It's time to throw this one here in the trash. All right, there we go. That dual duty cover goes in the trash. Here's our probably year-old cover over here on the touring version. And the Deluxe, well, we just replaced that one today. We've got a completely new cover and a new dual duty on it. The retail price of these out the gate looks expensive when you look at them. But if you consider the price of a storage unit, I probably have 20 feet of storage space that these are providing. It's going to be a huge savings over that of a storage unit. Here in town, a 20-foot unit is about $500 a month. So every single month, we're saving money by using Speedway. If you have something that needs to live outside, Speedway Motorsport shelters are a great way to do it. And you can put motorcycles in them, you can put yard equipment, snowmobiles, you name it, you can put it inside a Speedway Motorsport shelter. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, take care and ride safe out there. All right, guys, it's the next day. It's been raining all day, actually. You can see there's a lot of water sitting here on the side of each of these shelters. And the reason I like these guys so much is everything on the inside here is nice and dry. Love it. Speedway Motorsport Shelter is definitely a great way to keep all of your goods protected, free from UV sun rays coming down and destroying them, protected in rain and snow and all kinds of different weather. This is that one we put together yesterday. Again, super thankful that we were able to get this thing put together in time in order to keep all of the goods and the motorcycles dry. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Till next time, take care. Ride safe out there.